Michaela Jane M. Proficiency in Research Project, Proficiency in Creative Writing, Proficiency in EADP, Proficiency in Empowerment Technologies, Proficiency in Media and Information Literacy, Proficiency in Pagsulat sa Filipino sa Piling Larang, Proficiency in Research in Daily Life 2,
Best in Research Paper and Research in Daily Life 2. Best in Presentation and Research in Daily Life 2. Best Female Presenter in Research in Daily Life 2. Second place, Best Talks Inter-School Competition. Participant sa Bayang Pagligtas Inter-School Competition. Third place, Radio Broadcasting English DSPC. Participant, Second EduVenture Student Research Forum and Exposition. A Leadership Awardee, an Asians Pride Awardee with high honors.